A new city awaits. Only the best things await. In the family-friendly and master-planned community of Lancaster New City. Lancaster New City is strategically nestled within the province of Cavite. You won't miss out on anything, as Lancaster New City is settled close to the metro's key business centers and international gateways. Major elevated road networks make it conveniently accessible for those traveling to and from metropolitan Manila. Lancaster New City is also conveniently close to the open canal exit of the soon-to-open Calax. In Lancaster New City, everything is within reach. It's a complete, all-in-one community. Nestled in the heart of Lancaster New City is St. Edward's School, a leading educational institution that offers quality education in a safe and nurturing learning environment with modern facilities. Catering to the residents' essential lifestyle needs is The Square, a community mall with retail, dining, and entertainment establishments. Home to over 50 stores that provide everything you may need. Suntec iPark is the first campus-style office IT business park in Cavite that provides the residents of Lancaster New City employment opportunities. Lancaster New City has its own place of worship with a unique architecture, the Parish of the Holy Family. Layton Hall is the first clubhouse of Lancaster New City, complete with an outdoor pool, cafe, meeting room for business meetings, and Buckingham Hall, where you can hold events that can readily host up to 400 guests. LNC Link is Lancaster's New City's exclusive internal and external transport system with air-conditioned buses equipped with GPS and card machine for cashless transactions, linking LNC's residents, guests, and those working within it to key areas like the Centennial Road, Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange or PITX, and Makati City. Families and communities thrive in Lancaster New City. There's excitement all year round. Lancaster New City is a family-friendly and dynamic city. Be a part of a thriving and vibrant township, Lancaster New City, where your family home goals are within reach.